The Land Rover Defender 110 OCTA is the most extreme, powerful, and capable high-performance flagship SUV ever built for the Defender lineup. Named after the octahedron shape of a diamond to signify toughness and luxury, it completely reimagines the iconic 4x4 platform with massive performance upgrades, a widened stance, and high-end desert racing-inspired technology. Engine and extreme performance. BMW-sourced powertrain. Houses a massive 4.4-liter twin turbocharged mild hybrid V8 engine. Astonishing output. Generates 626 horsepower and up to 553 pound-feet of torque. Rapid acceleration rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.8 seconds, despite its 5,900 pound curb weight. Top track speed achieves a maximum speed of 155 miles per hour when equipped with 22-inch performance wheels. Groundbreaking chassis and off-road tech. 6D dynamic suspension uses hydraulic interlink dampeners that continuously adjust to eliminate traditional anti-roll bars, maximizing wheel articulation off-road and minimizing body roll on road. Imposing stance. Features a factory-raised ride height that sits over 1 inch higher and a track widened by nearly 3 inches compared to a standard Defender 110. Record wading depth. Wades through up to 3.3 feet of water, which is the deepest clearance of any production Defender. OCTA mode. Instantly unlocks an off-road launch mode, recalibrates ABS for loose gravel, and illuminates the steering wheel paddles in sharp red. Rugged exterior design. All-terrain footprint. Rides on specifically developed 33-inch diameter tires. Enhanced cooling and protection. Styled with a performance-driven bumper and grille alongside a heavy-duty graphite-coated front undershield. Signature details. Standardized with unique diamond turn, dark tint 20-inch wheels, bronze recovery hooks, and diamond-inspired OCTA badging. High-end interior and sensory tech. Body and Soul seats. Integrates next-generation SUBPAC vibro-acoustic technology into the front performance bucket seats, allowing passengers to physically feel the audio bass alongside customized wellness massage programs. Premium materials wrapped in a choice of highly durable ultra fabrics, PU or premium semi-aniline leathers paired with unique chopped carbon fiber finishes. Tactile controls accented with moonlight chrome switchgear and distinct translucent edge-lit gear shift paddles mounted to a redesigned steering wheel. The Land Rover Defender 110 OCTA features an ultra-premium cabin loaded with specialized high-performance technology designed to elevate both high-speed desert racing and daily luxury. Displays and infotainment. 13.1-inch curved touchscreen. Runs the latest lightning-fast PV Pro infotainment system, It handles over-the-air software updates and features a simplified menu layout that controls 80% of tasks in just 2 taps. 12.3-inch interactive driver display. A fully digital gauge cluster that alters its complete layout depending on the chosen drive terrain. OCTA mode screen layouts. Activating the signature off-road OCTA mode shifts the digital display to broadcast specialized telemetry, including live lateral G-forces, torque split, and power output. Wireless smartphone integration includes standard wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a fast-charging wireless device pad. Off-road visibility and convenience tech. 3D surround camera with wave sensing. Utilizes a suite of external cameras to create a virtual overhead view, including clear sight ground view, clear sight digital rear view mirror. Instantly switches from a standard mirror to a live high-definition video feed from the camera mounted on the rear roof antenna, providing unobscured visibility even if the cargo area is packed to the roof. Head-up display projects critical speed, navigation data, and off-road pitch/roll angles directly onto the windshield to keep your eyes focused on tough terrain. Cabin comfort tech. Cabin air purification plus features advanced filtration that actively scrubs pathogens, targets odors, purifies PM 2.5 particles, and actively removes built-up carbon dioxide to prevent driver drowsiness. Console refrigerator. The front center console storage area doubles as a cool compartment to keep beverages chilled on hot overland tracks. Sensory audio and performance seating. SUBPAC Body and Soul seats. Standard front performance seats feature built-in vibroacoustic transducers powered by SUBPAC technology. This system allows passengers to physically feel the music's frequency response alongside 6 custom immersive wellness programs. Meridian Sound System delivers crisp studio quality sound throughout the rugged cabin to complement the sensory front seats. Translucent edge lit paddles. The redesigned steering wheel houses distinctive gear shift paddles that dynamically glow bright red. The exterior color palette for the Land Rover Defender 110 OCTA balances high-performance ruggedness with luxury finishes. OCTA exclusive premium paint finishes. Faroe Green, Petra Copper, and Sargasso Blue, a rich, deep, dark tinted metallic option uniquely curated for the OCTA lineup. Core Premium Metallics. Patagonia White, Carpathian Gray, and Charenta Gray, a sleek dark slate metallic choice that delivers a subtle and sophisticated aesthetic. The OCTA Black Special Variant. Narvik Black, Land Rover's deepest, most reflective gloss black. This shade is standard on the Defender OCTA Black Edition, enveloping the entire vehicle, including more than 30 exterior accents like badges, grille surrounds, and wheels in a completely murdered out look. Narvik Black contrast. All standard Defender OCTA models are painted with a gloss Norvik black contrast roof and matching black tailgate for a distinct dual-tone finish. Matte protective film option. Buyers can choose to wrap the factory paint in a durable satin finish protective film. This adds an understated matte sheen to the exterior while protecting the body panels from off-road road chips, rock chips, and desert brush. The interior color options for the Land Rover Defender 110 OCTA focus on a highly durable dual-tone aesthetic paired with premium textiles. Premium semi-aniline leather options. Burnt sienna and ebony, the signature flagship color combination. It pairs rich reddish brown burnt sienna leather with ebony black accents and textured Kevdrat wheel blend fabric trim. And ebony on ebony, a classic uniform all black presentation. Highly durable ultra fabrics, PU options. Khaki and ebony, an earthy desert racing inspired and configuration exclusive to the Defender OCTA Edition 1 launch model. And light cloud and lunar gray, a bright, technical, and highly minimalistic colorway. The starting base MSRP for the Land Rover Defender 110 OCTA is $158,300. This includes the standard 626 horsepower twin turbo V8 powertrain, 6D dynamic suspension system, and sensory body and soul front seats. Defender 110 OCTA Black Edition starts at $168,700. This premium package adds a fully darkened stealth exterior theme with customized black badging, a black grille surround, and distinct interior leather choices.